Hello everyone, welcome to the stream. Been a while. I was on a holiday for a couple of weeks, and here and out I was working on the game, just a tiny bit to be honest, not much. Um, but hopefully from now on I can come back and stream a little bit more regularly. At least that's my idea. Um, there are some stuff that I like to show to you. Uh, since the last one, I'm actually I'm actually much more um, further in the production. So it's coming together. I'm still in system development phase, but only a couple left, couple features left. Let's grab something so I can see the chat if you want to tell me something. I'm here, I'm listening. So right now I'm working on interactions. So first let me just show where the project is at the moment. Past couple weeks I basically worked on the inventory system. So that's how the inventory looks like. Very Resident Evil. Basically I'm okay to say that it's copy paste of Resident Evil because that's what I wanted. I wanted to recreate the Resident Evil inventory in Unreal Engine, especially for this game. So yeah, that's how it looks. Go exit. There are some items that you can pick up. So when you pick it up, it shows the item, and then you need to close it. Let's pick up all the items here first. Picked up shotgun, picked up. So things that you can do in the inventory. You can obviously select these. It says what's them. You can equip, and then you can start, shooting. And then you are able to combine an item. For example, you can combine the pistol ammo with the pistol, and it actually reloads it. So that's one thing. The other thing that you can do, you can check it, and then you can rotate the model, and you can zoom in, you can zoom out. So yeah, that's it. I probably want the pistol to be shown a bit further away, just a tiny bit, to be honest, because these are fine, but can be closer as well. Really need to find a good value for that, but this is just nitpicking, to be honest. That's okay. And I was doing it in the morning, so that's why it's a bit like that. That's to the left, that's to the right, but that's okay. So yeah, that's the inventory itself. And right now, what I'm working on is let me show. So because I implemented that when you pick up an item, the bottom text box shows the text with the typewriter style, so letter by letter basically. And because I implemented that feature, now I can make environmental examination boxes. So basically, when you go around on the map or on the level, and you find something interesting like a bookcase or I don't know, a table or something like that, you can hit the action button, and then text will appear on the screen, telling you what it is. Environmental storytelling, basically. So I'm working on that bit because the typewriter style is done, and it's reusable. So it's not like it's tied to one UI element. It's a whole separate, actually a blueprint interface, that many other blueprints can have, can implement. And now I am making that actor. We are this one, the examine point. I'm just gonna move it out for a sec to basically do what I want with it. When you near it, hit action and tells you some stuff. So like always, if you are interested in this stuff, if you're interested how all these work, please let me know in the chat. And otherwise, have a good time with. So overlap. So I'm just copying this, and yeah, that's okay. So it can just be a square. It's fine. All right. So I need you. And I need it as an array, and this is instance addable. Actually, expose and spawn as well. So I can find it. Okay. Like always, when I'm using cost, I actually like to do the costing once, mostly in big in play, because I do not like costing all the time. So, um, yeah, that can stay there. It's fine. Just go up. I call it reference, like be the same, conventional. So let's detect the player. On begin overlap. I'm gonna put it down there. I never tried actually like that. Yeah, correct. Leave some space. Where did the screen go? And why? Okay. I'm gonna send this to true. Um, and overlap is down here. Same thing. And false. And just as a fail safe, can't talk. I need a coffee. Okay. That is point. So if this true, then let's set it to none. We don't need it in this case. So I'm just gonna set this to nothing. All right. So now we don't even need the boolean anymore. Oh my God. So okay. So lines. Mm, okay. So passing the pages. Mm. Yeah, okay. I didn't make categories here, so I'm just gonna call it. And that's gonna be an ASMR. Nope. How do I call it? Um, mm, okay. Instead, um, so check if this is already true. Just one. And if it's false, okay. Um, yeah. Is valid. If not valid, then create. Mm, so, now we can, okay. And now we can check. Cool. And up to viewport. And, okay. So if it's already valid because it's been created, then just add to the view. From this, I can start with some text and I can place pages. There. Sometimes I move up, sometimes I move down. Really don't have like a specific thing here. So like that. So, uh, and now here, open. I do this. Yeah, sure. Huh? So, pretty sure, yes. If I pause the game, I technically don't need to disable the movement, to be honest. Let's try without it, because the other does not yet paired with the game pause, so I'll just try one without it. But I do need a player controller, so get controller. And the widget is here. Okay. So it's paused. UI only. That's aim. Let's look. Let's look. Flashlight. So I need a new one. Plug and play. Fine. Toggle. Those are toggles. Those are gamepad stuff. So I am going to move you. I can't. Okay. But I can move you down by one. So definitely like that. So more space. Okay, so I want this right under this. And I just can't do that with this. It's okay. Yeah. Fine. So triggered. Yeah. Triggered. This is true. This is one other thing I really like to do. Instead of going up and down on a branch, I keep the code horizontal. Pause. Pause. Okay. Ah, sure. Hmm. If this pause works well, I am going to introduce this pause in these two as well. So set game paused. I'm wrapping these two here instead of disable. So okay. But that's after. So we need to go here. Graph close. Yeah, this one. So I don't need the rest, just you. So stop it. Then we make this false. Then make that 0. We clear the pages. We set this to empty. Then we remove it. Then the player, just the player, yeah. controller. Yep. And, yeah. Okay. Cool. Mm, Okay, let's test this. So I'm gonna remove these. I don't need them. I'm gonna move it closer. True. Oh, checked. X, now. Goodbye. Okay. And this is going to be favorite, right? Click on a property. Favorite. Collapse all. Oh. Collapse all. Favorites. It's a bit tiny, to be honest. So I'm gonna make it 64. 128. I'm also going to make like float for this, so I can do that here. So let's walk into it. I'm an object. Probably the problem here is this. So set UI game and UI. I believe that should be the problem. So that's player controller, that's this height. Okay. Again, I'm an object. You are examining me right. Goodbye. It's working. It is working. I'm an object. You are examining me. Goodbye. Cool. So, before I move on, I actually want to change these. So that's closing. So we just set it to pause. Like that. It's pause, and when we open it, I shouldn't do that way. Wait, 1 second. Let me make a backup. Just a quick backup before I change it, and then I am going to like tweak how the text looks like when you try and examine an object in the world. Okay, backup is done. Opening back. That was actually much easier feature than I thought so. Like what? It taken me 40 minutes. Yeah, 40 minutes to build it. So yeah, I am happy. So I am just going to do this first. And pause and see what happens with the UI itself. So that's fine. That's working. That's working as well. Can't remember if I was able to. Yes. That's another kind of thing. It's okay. Zoom out. Show me. Give me some pickups. Give me the pistol. And you. Okay. Okay. Text is working. Cool. Accurate. Let's do 3. And just combine. All right, yeah. Feels like everything is working. Apart from that. So show me the problem again. Sorry. Give me this one back. I need to see. Pick it up. Cool. Check. Yeah, that doesn't work either. They should be components. Like here. And that's not a component. Okay, cool. Where I was here. So we don't need a set inventory, pick up, exit, and you either. Just this. Class default. Tick. Okay. All right, let's see if that doesn't work because of you or something else. Yeah, because of the pause. Yep. Okay, now I just need to figure out. Zoom doesn't work for some reasons. Maybe I didn't even want zoom. Let me see. Zoom, actor. Which one is the other thing? If check panel open. I don't even get it right. That's the check panel. That's fine. And I can zoom in and I can zoom out. So that's okay. But on that, I cannot. That's something else, to be honest. I didn't even want that to. Now, let me find this. Yeah, I'm only rotating it. And that was working, yeah? So I must be. So if I just do that, that still yes, it still gives me an probably because I do need another checking here. Yeah, this is just wrong. The whole part is just wrong. It needs to another branch first of all, and only if it's true. And if it's not true, then I need to do this on both, actually. Unhandled. So let's take it down a bit. It doesn't look nice. Not gonna lie. Can I make it somehow look a bit better? So I can move it a bit here. So they are like them. That should come in here. And then you need to mix. All right. That should clear up the problem. So that's working. You can zoom in, you can zoom out. And if I just do that, or if I go here and try to zoom in and out, yes, error is gone. Okay, so that's down. That's cool. That's basically it. So I just need the designer part, so I can close it. I'm gonna need just the designing. Need to fix this. I need to fix that. That is done as well. But like I said, player controller. So reference. Shotgun is a reference as well. These are references to X camera act. The rest is fine. So this is FP. Call it FP. I think I have something. Yeah. So FP, FP, FP. Fine. Cool. I'm gonna call this FP. And XY. Cool. Yeah. That's references. And I have a nice thing how I call these stuff. Just can't remember. Oh, instance overrides. Yes. So can change you. And we can close it now. Yes. Gonna override and on begin play. Begin play. Yes. I'm gonna take sphere. I do need size float. Default value is not size. How? What's the name of this? Sphere radius. Okay. Here, instance of exports. So this should give me So if I change it to 64, then it should be 64. Let's change it to 0 so I know it works. It does work. Cool. I can actually do that in construct instead. Nothing big in play. Wow. NVIDIA died down. So I can do that on construct instead. I don't even need big in play, probably. So if I compile it and change it, I should be able to see it live. Yes. So that can be closed as well. Collapse all. I'm going to do these components in here and see my others. That's fine. But item slot. Yeah. I will do one of these two into components. Just so much better. Thank you. Yes. And all these, to be honest, all just go up there. Because there are so much component here that I'm just losing tracks. Jesus. So much better. So much better. Save it. Save this. And I do need designer part for second. I need to figure out if it's paused, how to update compose. Because I cannot rotate, I cannot do that. It might be the case that the base one class default needs to be ticked even when it's paused. And there is like another one. Tick. I think it's called pause. There is another one. What is it called? Honestly, I can't remember. It's not thick. Anyway, let's see if this solves the problem. Honestly, it should, but it doesn't. Oops. Question. Closed. Statistics. Let me do some research. I need some research on this. Does it show the mouse when I... It does. Does you show the mouse? Yeah, I don't like that. Okay, so two things. Hmm. Yeah, in here. So when we pause it, it don't show. And same thing needs to happen. Where did I... Pause. Okay, cool. I thought I was putting in the wrong place. We don't need you. Yep. Let's have a look in a sec. Ah. Do we have player controller here? Somewhere. No. Okay, never mind. Player controller. Okay. This one back here. Okay. So why? But anyway, so and I need the research. Why the thing doesn't work? Ah, my bad. My bad. This is item pickup base. This is item pickup base. That's not the right thing to enable when paused. So start with tick. Hello tick. No. Dedicated server. Fine. So yeah, compile. This is not the blueprint I'm looking for. I am looking for the render target blueprint. So collapse all. And I need run post. So now I should be able to nope. Okay. Yeah, I'll do it on tick. Shit. Yay. Okay. So yeah, let's change it now. I think I can do that. It should be working anyways. Change this. Okay. So we can close you. No. So I can do this and this as well. Okay. Why is it so weird? It's probably doing something differently. Yeah. All right. So, good. And we can close you as well. Yeah. Yeah. And if I open it up again, try something, zoom in, open. Okay. One thing that I don't recall working is this. Yes. because I need to change the render target. So it doesn't have anything, just you. What the? Things I'm doing sometimes. Skin capture. And that gives me but I never clear it. Do want to clear it. Where do I clear this? Rotate, rotate. On escape, no? Escape. Close, close, cancel. Close status, can stop character control, close character preview. When do I clear that? Wow, I shouldn't be able to do that. I mean, yeah, no, I shouldn't. No. Um, I don't even use them. So I'm not this right. If it's character preview, if it's true, the fuck? Oh, this one go character preview. If it's true, which one is that? The middle one. Return grid. Do not return to the grid. No. All these need return node, I think. Ugh. Okay, let me check because it needs to end with a return node. I'm gonna have a look on that because it looks horrible. That works. If I go back, okay. Well, finally. Okay. I can do that. I can come back. The only thing is if I rotate it, I rotate the map. Makes sense. So go back to 0. I don't have you. Now I just need to figure out where to call this clear. Probably want the camera to no. 8. -3 or 0 actually. Yep. Okay. But the good thing about this, I can find the reference when I close the check panel. So have a look. So I guess it's the same thing when I close you. Before or after. After and before the refresh selection. So but just in case, it's valid index. Yep, it's valid. Then clear. Thank you. Make it super nice. Oops, working. It's just oops. Told you it's working. 70 compile. Then this is done. This is done. Run that target as well. I finished you, but I need this to be much more readable. This is horrendous. So I'm gonna leave this one here and do another. Yeah. So I don't need you as well. Just that bigger text and some sort of honestly don't know how to do this. Because that looks bad if you ask me. But you know, something like that. In a new row or something. I might be able just to need some inspiration. Yeah, the arrow is always there. Blinking arrow. Cool. So because this is a size box. All right, I will have an idea how to do this. Um, a blinking arrow. Cool. Okay, I think I'm gonna go eat something just now. Um, that was a really good um, progression. What I'm going to do, probably off screen or what we see, um, make it bigger, make it narrower, because right now this text is just really on the side. I don't like it, and it's really small as well. I want it to be a bit, well, you know, starting not too close to the screen, and much bigger as well, and something that indicates that you need to press a button. At least it's working and I like it. So cool. After that, this is like visual tweaking. After that, I will definitely implement something that you won't see. It's like a timer that starts. with the game. It's for speedrunners, so they can um, compete each other. But I need a timer for that. I already know how to do it. I did the design, the code design already. So I'm just gonna finish the top as well, and yeah, do something about this part because I really don't like how this code look. So couple of things, but basically I'm almost done with the implementation of things. I also want to do some visual tweaking of that. Oh, I do need to tweak that one. So let me just open up before I forget. And I need all these to be tweaked. How they look. One, two, three, four. Ugh. And just open up the item check as well. So yeah, that's it. Just for now. Thanks for joining. Hope you enjoyed it. If you're interested in the project, please follow. And I'm gonna stream probably next week when I'm working on it. Maybe even today if I come back and streaming. Just let me know what you think.